Hello. Today, I'm going to be doing an SSD and RAM upgrade tutorial on my Lenovo Legion 5P gaming laptop. I'm Kane, this is Viking Tech, and if you want to see some more tech videos from me, please like and subscribe to the video. But enough of all that hoo-ha, let's get down to it. So firstly, let's start off by taking off the back. There's 11 screws dotted around the back here. I'm just going to take them off now. There we go, that's the back casing off there. Be careful when you take your screws off because the bottom ones are a different size to the top set. So just be careful you put them back in the right place. So this is my SSD that I'm going to use. And it just goes right in this little slot here that's empty. By the way, it doesn't come with a screw to screw it in, so you're going to need to provide your own. We'll just bob this in here, wait for that little click, hold it down, get a screwdriver with my own screw, bob it in, close it down there, and that's your SSD, nice and stable inside there. This is where your SSD that comes with it. Mine's a 512 SSD that I've added. The other one's behind this little cover here, and your RAM is behind this little cover here. So I'm just going to take that off. Just use this little tool just to, it's based on like a few clips, so I'm just gonna use this and just clip it off and get access to the RAM there. There we go. That's the RAM that comes with it, your 8 gigs. This is the empty slot for your other 8 gig RAM. This is my RAM that I'm going to place into it now. So if you put it in, there's 2 clips on the sides, on the left and the right hand side. Just clip that down, wait for the click again, and that's your RAM installed there. So we'll just put this back on into place. Clip it in. There we go. So that's back on nice and sturdy. The SSD is nice and sturdy in. I'm going to put this back together. I'm going to boot it up and be back in. So I've put it all back together. So let's click on Lenovo Vantage and see if we have been accepted. Here we go. Yep, so there's 16 gigs of RAM there. So it says 4 out of 16. So that's been accepted nicely. And as you can see here, there's 2 SSDs that it's picking up there, so we've all been installed perfectly well. So I hope that was useful for you, and please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye from me.